Welcome to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will demonstrate how to return parts to the garage. We will open a job card that is at work in progress status. A work in progress status job card is the one for which parts have already been issued. Let's return a part for this job card. To return a part, click on Parts from the bottom of the screen and click on Issue. In this page, you have three tabs on the top: Pending Issue, Issued, and Return. The parts that are yet to be issued will show up in the Pending Issue tab, and the parts that are already issued to the vehicle will show up in the Issued tab. To return the part, we will go to the Issued tab and select the part that we wish to return and enter the quantity. Now we will click on Return from the bottom of the page. The part has successfully been returned to the garage. By clicking on the Returns tab, you can see the parts that were returned for that particular job card. Now by going back to the estimation page, you can uncheck the part that you have returned and continue with the invoicing and closing the job card. It's that simple. Thank you for watching.